Hello guys, so RepairBuddy is available to help you receive your repair payments very easily. Either they are offline payments or online payments. There are payment statuses. You can add as many as you want, and whichever you don't want, you can deactivate that payment status. Like if your payment status is set to credit, that means your job, you have to follow up the client later, whatever you label them. And their offline payment methods are cash, bank transfer, check, swipe, and mobile payments. Whatever you want to use, you can. And for online payment, we have WooCommerce, where you can use any payment gateway, PayPal or Stripe or whatever. Let's see how offline payments works first. From jobs list, like you can see this job have pending balance of 1296, and you can just click take payment. And after clicking on it and received upfront or whatever, you can also receive negative balance, like if you have not added any part services to a job yet. And I will select partially paid, and I will receive 300 from it. And after this, job status will be in process, and the payment method customer used is cash. So this is a payment is recorded, offline payment. And you can also receive offline payment from job page. This is where you can receive several jobs at once. And if you are within a job, for example, this is the job page. Here you can see you have to receive 1296. If you refresh it, payment have been recorded. You will see 996 is left. And here you can also receive on-site payment. Just click it and add your payment details, and it will be recorded same as we did before. So, and here you can see that payment partially paid, cash 300. And if somehow it is not available, you can deactivate this payment also. Now how to receive the online payment. And for the online, you can also print the receipt for customer. Here just click on it and print the receipt, so you can hand over it to your customer. All right, while it's loading, so this you can print and hand over to your customer. But okay, for online payment you will need WooCommerce and a payment gateway. As you can see, I have installed a Stripe gateway with it, and you can install as many gateways in WooCommerce as you want by going to payments. After you have activated WooCommerce, you can go to payments and set up the ways you want to receive payments. After setting up the payment gateway, you can just go to your jobs, and you will see this link here, generate online payment link, that you are planning to receive 996 as in online payment. Just click on it, and your customer will receive SMS and email. Email will have this body, and you can change it to anything in your language or in your text. And if you want to enable SMS, then you can enable SMS for your customer also, so they receive SMS for the payment link also. Once payment link is generated, you can see you can also download this QR code and directly send to your customer anywhere, or you can just copy the link here. And your customer will also receive the email like this. As you can see that job status update, and this is the payment link customer have received, and this is the invoice also attached with it, so they can see what they are being requested for the payment. So it's stating that 300 already paid and 996 they have to pay by going here. All right, I will go here now and complete the payment, so you can see what will happen once the payment is complete. As you can see right now, its balance is 996 because 300 is only what is received. So customer will go to your go here after clicking this link, pay now, or scanning this or copying this URL, and then they can select the payment gateway you have added for them. And then they will add the card number, expiry date, and their CSV, and they will pay for the order. Once they pay the order, administrator will receive the notification that payment have been completed. And for, as you can see, it's just saying pending status. Once the payment is complete from by customer, it will be changed to payment link payment paid from pending. As you can see, it's paid, and it's the transaction ID, and payment completed on, and now jobs balance is 0. Okay, so this is how payments works in RepairBuddy and helps you to receive online and offline payments. Let me know if you have any questions about it. So this is very easy and helpful. Thank you.